B. Okay, great to know that. Where are you?
Home.
At home. Okay. All right. So today is what day is today?
Monday.
Monday. Okay. Did you not go to school?
No.
No. Ah, okay. Why? Is it holiday?
This holiday.
It's holiday. Okay. Why holidays today?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. All right. Okay. So today we will talk about something like habitat. Habitat. Okay. Is this your first time to hear the word habitat? Yes. Oh, okay. So this is habitat. So habitat is a place. Place spell alin?
สถานที่
Okay. All right. So a habitat is a place where something lives. For example, where does a monkey live?
live in the forest.
Lives in the forest. Very good. What else? What about lion?
In
Where does a
forest.
lion live?
In the forest.
In the forest too. What about a shark?
Shark in the sea.
In the sea. Okay. Very good. So those are habitat. So again, habitat is a place like forest, jungle, zoo, farm, or in the sea or in the ocean. Okay. So there are many different types of habitat. So habitat can be hot or cold. It can be big or small. And a habitat is also from land or in water, right? Okay, so these are several types of habitat, like this one. This is a field, like a farm. Yep, a field or a farm. What do you call the animals that lives on the farm?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Goat.
Okay. Yes.
Sheep.
Yes. Pig. What else?
Goat.
Yes. Goat. Horse.
Cow.
Yes. Very good. Okay. What do you think the animals or insects lives in a tree? A tree is also a habitat.
And
Ants. What else?
ladybug.
Ladybug. Very good. What about bird?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So birds are forming a nest on the tree and they they can live in there. So as ants and ladybug. What about in the river? What do you think the animals that lives in the river?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so what do you think? Can be a can be a crab, a small crab or crablets, small fish.
Small fish.
Yes, or several kinds of seashells that lives in the river. What about this one? Desert. Giraffe. What else?
Camel.
Camel. Very good. By the way, where can you find a desert? Where can you find a desert? In Africa or in UAE or in Saudi Arabia. Okay. So a desert, is this a cold place or hot place? What do you think?
Place.
It is hot place. Okay. Next type of habitat is coral reef. Coral reef, basically coral reefs or reefs are found under the water. So what do you think the animals that lives in the coral reef?
Snake sea.
Okay, what else? What are the animals that lives or hiding in the reef? Starfish, very good. What else?
Seahorse.
Seahorse, yes. What else?
Shark.
Shark, okay. Or a smaller type of fishes like Nemo. Do you know Nemo? Goldfish. Or baby squid. What else? Sea urchin. Okay. Or different types of shells. Another type of habitat is a rainforest. When we say rainforest, this is usually wet. This is a forest which is wet. Always wet.
Always wet.
Wet แปลว่าอะไรนะ
Wet. I don't know.
Wet. How do you say it in Thai? Okay. Dry แปลว่าอะไร
Dry.
Dry. The opposite of wet is dry. When we say wet, it looks like it's always raining. Something like that. It has a bit of water always. Okay. Alright, so what do you So what do you think the animals that lives in the rainforest? Or in the forest?
Elephant.
Elephant.
And
Ants. What else? Snake.
oh, yes, snake.
Snake. What else?
Fish.
Yes. What else?
Grass.
Okay. What else? What else do you see in the forest? In the forest, we usually see tall trees, different kinds of plants. Yes.
Tree and coconut.
And coconut, yes. Different types of trees, like can be coconut, can be mango tree, or pine trees, something like that. Ferns. Okay, that's it. What about in the sea again? Shark, fish, dolphin, crab.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Okay. What else?
Sea snake.
Sea snake. Yes, very good. What about in the mountain? What do you think the animals that live in the mountain? Again?
Goat.
Goat. A big goat, I guess.
Big goat.
Big goat, okay. Let us try to search what are the mountain animals. The mountain animals are this one. Okay. All right, you are correct. This looks like a goat. It's so big. Yes. Where are... Okay. So these are the mountain animals. These are the mountain animals. So you are correct. So there is mountain goat, leopard, cougar, brown bear. What else? Gorilla.
Capybara.
Gorilla. And wolf. Wolf. Black bear. Okay. So these are, yes, these are The mountain animals or animals that lives in the mountain. What about in the grass? What do you think the insects or animals that lives in the grass? Ants. Very good. What else?
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Okay. Any more?
Butterfly.
Okay. Any more? What else? What about grasshopper? Grasshopper. Grasshopper แปลว่าอะไรนะ Grasshopper is, this is a grasshopper. I will show you what it looks like. Grasshopper is this one. แปลว่าอะไร
แปลว่าเขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะตั๊กแตน
Okay. Another one, another type of habitat is the Arctic. Arctic. So when we say Arctic, this is a place where everywhere is full of ice. Yes. What else? Polar bear. What do you call the bird? Penguin. Okay. Any more? Do we have crab in here?
I don't know.
No. Okay, so I think there are also crabs or types of fishes that lives in here. What about in a hedge? What do you mean by hedge? Hedge. A hedge is something like a garden.
Garden.
Yes, something like a garden, but it is not usually
It's
a garden.
beautiful.
It's beautiful. Okay. Hedge is this one. It looks like this. This is a hedge.
Ooh. Yes.
Yep. So what do you call the animals that lives in the hedge? Okay, so this is the animal that lives.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful and it's cute. It looks like it's small, that's why it is cute. How do you call this one in Thai? In English, we call this one as hedgehog. Hedgehog. Yes. It looks like a mouse, right? But it has a horn, something like I don't know if this is a horn. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is the hedge animal. What about next? In a flower bed. Flower bed. When we say flower bed, this is a place. This is a place where everything planted there is a plant or flowers. So what do you think? Okay, so what do you think the animals that lives in the flower bed? Bees, okay. What else? Bees.
Rabbit.
Yeah. Butterfly.
And deer and cat.
Cat. Okay.
And
what else? So usually we can see a butterfly, ladybug, something. Ladybug. What else? Bees and the flower bed. Okay. What about Next, what is next? Next is, this one, swamp. Swamp. This is a swamp. It looks like a river with so much trees in there. So what do you call? What do you call the swamp animals? Swamp animals are, okay. So these are the animals that lives in swamp.
Snake. Crocodile.
Snake. Okay.
Bear.
Okay. What else?
Uy.
All right. It has also lots of animals that live in swamp. So we have here black bear, goose, turtle,
Anaconda.
anaconda, yes. Anaconda and snake. Cuckoo. It is a type of a bird. Heron. This is
Hippo.
hippo. Oh, yes, a hippo. Heron. Alligator. Have you ever seen an alligator?
No.
Not
I
yet.
can alligator.
Uh-huh. Okay. And even turtle is in there. And what do you call this one? This looks like a dragonfly. Another crayfish, rabbit, hawk, goose. Okay, salamander. All right, so these are the animals that lives in swamp. What about in next savanna? What about the animals that lives in a savanna? Savanna looks like a desert. It's very hot in there.
Things.
Okay, so let us search again. What are the animals that lives in a savanna? Okay, so there are lots of animals that lives in a savanna.
Or anything.
Yeah. All right. So these are the animals that lives in savanna. So we have deer, elephant, zebra,
Giraffe.
giraffe. Yes, very good. What else?
Tiger.
Tiger. Mm-hmm. Okay. So these are
Cheetah.
animals. Okay. All right. These are savanna animals. This is a complete animals that live in savanna. So we have here falcon. Also, wild dog. It is a very big dog. And then zebra. Buffalo. Buffalo.
Cheetah.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
a free lion.
Yes. What else? Ostrich. Ostrich. Have you ever seen a ostrich?
I can see a horse.
Oh, you cannot see an ostrich yet. You haven't seen an ostrich yet. You know, we have a zoo in here. In our place, they have, how many ostrich was that? I think they have 2 ostrich, big ostrich. And then meerkat. Okay, so these are the animals that lives in savanna. Okay.
Savanna.
Yeah. So let us go to the next. Our next lesson is all about food chain. What is a food chain? What do you call a food chain? Wait.
Ocean.
Do you know what is food chain already? Food chain is food chain shows how animals depend on other plants and animals for their food and survival. So in short, a food chain can tell you about what animals eat. Okay, I will ask you a question. What do you eat? May I ask? What do you eat? What do you usually eat?
I eat. Ano kalawa?ภาษาอังกฤษ
What do you eat? Do you eat rice? Do you eat chicken?
สัน sunflower
พอคุยกับเขาดี
What do you eat? Teacher Rose eats fruits and vegetables. I also eat chicken, pork, or beef. What about Panya?
I eat pizza
Pizza.
and
Okay.
fries.
What about fish? Do you eat fish?
Yeah,
Yes. Okay.
it's fresh.
Yes. All right. So, what do you get when you eat? Like, for example, Teacher Rose usually eats chicken, fish, or pork. I also eat fruits and vegetables. So, what do we get when we are eating? We will get energy. Energy pa wa alay na?
I don't know.
Energy. We will be, wait. Let us use translator. Energy. Energy pa wa alay na? How to say, oh my gosh. Am I right?
Halangan.
Is that right? Yes.
Halangan.
Okay. Energy pa wa alay na?
Halangan.
Okay. All right. So when we eat, we will get our energy. Okay. So like this one, like Panya. Panya eats pizza, fish,
Yeah.
and I guess you are also eating pork, fruits, and vegetables, right? What about
Yes.
the cow? What does a
Grass.
cow eat? Grass. A cow eats grass, and after eating the grass, the cow will get an energy. Okay. Another. What about a tiger?
Deer.
Deer. Okay. Why not shark?
Shark in the sea.
Okay, because basically tiger is not living in the sea. So tiger, therefore, it's a deer. Okay. What about a lion?
Zebra.
Zebra. Okay. The lion eats zebra. And after eating the zebra, the lion will get an energy from the zebra. What about the shark?
Fish.
Fish. Why not rabbits?
Rabbit is on the
Is it in the farm? Or in the zoo?
inner zoo.
In the zoo. Okay. So a shark usually eats fish. And the shark will get an energy after eating the fish. Okay, so that is food chain. That's right. So The arrow shows the direction the energy is being transferred. Okay, so as you can see here, there are seeds, variety of seeds, and shrew, and a fox.
To eat fish.
Yes,
From
and the fox will eat the shrew. Okay, so the energy will be given to the fox. Okay, so what do you think? Which animal is missing from this food chain?
Frog.
Frog. Are you sure? There's a
Yes.
the grasshopper, the shrew, and
The frog.
who will eat the shrew?
Oh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay. Very good. What about next? What about in here?
Rabbit.
Which animal is missing from this food chain? Okay. So the rabbit will eat the carrots. And the rabbit will be eaten by the fox. Okay. So what did you find out about food chain? What is food chain again? Food chainแปลว่าอะไรนะ
Food chain แปลว่าอาหาร
Okay. How could you describe food chain? Food chain tells you about what animals eat. Right? Yes. Okay. So for example, Panya, yes, Panya eats a pork. Do you eat pork?
Pork.
Yes.
Pork. What?
Pork is pig's meat. Yes. Do you eat pork? Yes. Okay. So Panya eats pig. So what does the pig eat?
Pig is milk.
Milk. You sure?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Or rice or leftovers, vegetables, something like that. Okay, what about Teacher Rose? Teacher Rose eats fish. So what do you think the fish eats?
The fish is seeds.
Seeds, fish, right? Do we have seeds in the ocean? Or maybe seaweeds? Seaweeds แปลว่าอะไร? Seaweeds are grass in the sea or in the ocean.
Ocean.
Huh? All right. Okay. By the way, last summer, what did you do? Did you go somewhere?
Summer ใช่ป่ะ Go to school.
Go to school. Really?
Yes.
Summer. Last
And
summer.
Play water. Or
Where did you play water?
On Songkran.
On Songkran. Like, where did you go? Where did you go last?
Home.
Again, at home. Did you not go to the beach?
Play Songkran at home.
Okay. What else did you do? What about Last week, what did you do? Where did you go last week? Okay. Uh-huh. Wait. Let us talk about, I cannot find it. What is this? Ah, okay. Uh-huh. All right, this one. That, let's talk about, this is a guessing game. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Actually, these are farm animals guessing game. Okay, first one is, I say moo. What is this? Cow. Okay, I say moo. I have 4 legs. I eat grass and I give milk. Okay, so this is a cow. Very good. What about this? I have 4 legs. I live in a sty. I love to play in mud.
Mod.
Mud.
Bird.
Is this a bird? It has 4 legs. It has a curly tail. It has a curly tail. Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
What is this? Oink, 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 oink.
Pig.
Pig.
But you would try it.
They love to play in the mud. What about this? It has 2 legs. I have feathers. I lay eggs. It has 2 legs. They have feathers and they lay eggs.
I don't know.
You don't know? Can you try to guess it?
Is
They usually live in the forest or can be in the farm.
for to
They have feathers. Feathers, bawa. Meaning they can fly. Oh, chicken. Okay. What about this? I have feathers. I have 2 legs. And I say quack, quack, quack. Duck. Where can you see a duck?
duck.
Where can you see a duck?
In the pole.
In the pond. In the pond? In the farm?
Yes, in the
What about this?
farm. I have 4 legs. I live in the
Stable.
stable.
People may ride on my back. I say,
Sheep.
Sheep says, ba. What animal is that?
A horse.
Horse. Okay. Have you ever tried riding a horse?
Yes.
Yes. When?
I go to the like farm.
In the farm. Wow. When was that? When you are still a baby or a toddler? When did you ride a horse?
Go.
Again?
Long ago.
Okay. What about
When?
this? I have
I
4
have-
legs. I love to eat. I am good at climbing. My babies are called kids.
This.
What do you think
Cat.
is this? Is this a cat?
Oh.
My babies are called kids.
This. Yeah. I do this. I do this.
What do you think is this? Oh, okay. Goat. It has 4 legs. They are good at climbing. Climbing แปลว่าอะไร?
Clean. Clean.
Yes. My babies are called kids. Okay. What about this? I have 4 legs.
I have
I
4
eat
legs.
grass.
Grass.
I am woolly.
Wool.
It has a wool.
อะไร? I don't know.
This animal usually lives in the farm. And they have a wool. They have a coat. Is that a dog? Oh, good. They say, ba. They say, ba. Sheep. Yes, a sheep. Okay. All right. You know that already, a dog. Oh, where's my cursor? Okay, wait. All right, so this morning, what did you eat? May I ask?
Morning is fish.
Fish. Okay, what about this lunch?
Plus shabu.
Yan. Did you eat shabu?
Shabu.
Wow. Okay, what is your favorite food again?
Strawberry.
Wow. What about vegetable?
No, I don't like vegetable.
Oh.
But I eat vegetable.
Okay. What about French fries? Do you eat French fries?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know that French fries comes from potato? And potato is a vegetable? Yes. What about carrots? Have you ever